Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Friday. We kick off with football. 3 players, including Peterlee Vassell, have been omitted from the Reggae Boys local-based training squad ahead of their upcoming friendly internationals against Saudi Arabia next month. More in this report. The JFF confirmed earlier this month that the national team would be active in the next FIFA window with 2 friendly internationals against Saudi Arabia in the Middle East. And TVJ Sports has obtained a copy of a 17-member local-based training squad which will begin a training camp on November 2. The squad includes 4 players from Waterhouse, 4 from Mount Pleasant, 3 from Portmore United, and 1 each from Harbourview, UEFC, Cavalier and Montego Bay United. But there are 3 changes to a previous squad which was called in March, as Johnny Talbot, Andre Clennon and Peterlee Vassell have been left out. JFF General Secretary Dalton Wint says following the training camp, the travelling party will then go through a set of protocols before their opening match against the Saudis on November 14.
We'll have to bring to Saudi with us a proof that we have done COVID tested and we are negative, right? And within 72 hours, right? And when we reach there, we will be quarantined by ourselves in isolation for at least 3 days, and then another test is administered. And then we move to our camp, which will be there until the 18th.
There have been complaints about the inactivity of the Reggae Boys in the previous FIFA window, and Wint, who was speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill, says some factors were out of their control.
We had actually close to tying up a game, 2 games against the United States for the October window. We have been active in the market trying to get games. But the fact is that you have to understand that most governments are not allowing traveling to take place in their country, and to have these events taking place. So the government of the United States had encouraged them not to play any games in October.
The local-based squad will assemble on October 30 and 31 for COVID-19 testing, and subsequent to a negative result, they'll begin training on November 2. They then leave the island on November 7 and arrive in Saudi Arabia on November 9 through London. The Reggae Boys will take on the Saudis on November 14 and 17.